how to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I came with a new method where you can make money. So basically the method is you create an account on pinterest.com and you create an account on Amazon Associates. So for Amazon Associates we will need it for this bar right here, as you see. So for this bar to show up, you need an account on Amazon Associates, and this bar will allow you to get your affiliate links. And after getting those affiliate links, there we will need our Pinterest account to promote those links. So what we're going to do is selecting a niche and looking for viral posts on that niche. And after finding the posts, we will download the image and repost that post on our account and adding our link to that post. So let's get into it, guys, and let's select our niche. So the niche for this video is real estate and property management. So this is just an example, guys. You can always choose the niche that you are good with. So this is the niche that I'm going to choose. So here we have a lot of posts, but I'm going to choose from the first ones that show up, and because normally the first post to show up is the viral posts. So I'm going with this post. I really like this one. You can always be creative, guys, and create your own posts with canva.com. So I'm going to download this image and I'm going to click on create and click on create idea pin, open in a new tab because we're going to need this tab. So let's go for the tab that we created. We click on create new, and then we drag our picture and drop it on here. As you can see, this is the picture. So let's copy the title from the previous tab, this one. So copy, and then we paste it. Then we copy the description also, copy, and we paste our description right here, as you can see. Then we proceed to the next step, which is leaving our affiliate link. So let's go to amazon.com and let's type in our niche and see what Amazon can show us about this niche. So after clicking on it, we have some books, skip the flip, secrets the 1% know about real estate investing, first time landlord, your guide to renting out a single family home. So here we have a lot of books, but we're going to filter them by best sellers, and here we can see the best sellers on this niche. So let's choose the first one. There is a free version with Audible trial, and here we have also the paperback is for $17, Pearl Bond is $36, and the Kindle one is $10. So it will leave a good commission. So this is a good product to sell. So let's click on text, and here we have the link that takes us to this page. So let's go to Pinterest, and I clicked on publish. I clicked on publish before even editing this, before even editing the post. So let's go and create, let's see if we can edit this post. If not, we can always create a new post. So let's go and create, it's not, it's the other one. This is our post. So here we have our post. We click on link and we leave our link. So it's not the link. We go to Amazon again and we take this link and we leave it on our post, paste. Then we proceed to the next step, which is a very important step for your posts to show on the home feed and to go viral, and for your account to reach new audience and a lot of audience. So here we have the tags. So we need to add tags that are related to our topic, real estate marketing. So make sure to add as much tags as you can. Real estate quotes. So basically anything related to real estate, we're going to choose it. Real estate selling, real estate buying. So as I said, anything related to real estate, I'm going to choose it. And let's go with real estate, also real estate sign design. So basically anything related to real estate, don't hesitate on choosing it. And then we will go to property. Let's go with property management. So I guess it's not there. Property. Let's see if we can find anything related to this topic. Property. So let's see if we can find. So we can't find anything related to property. Let's choose property brother, property of matter, property of matter. And that's it for tags. I'm just showing you an example here. You can choose as much as you want, it's not limited. And after you're done with tags, you check your post, the picture, title, and your description, link, and your tags. Then you click on publish and your post will be published. And guys, for this method to work, you need to upload from 10 to 20 posts each day. And also I advise you to stick with one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche, because that is bad for your account and it's bad for your audience. So you can't have multiple audiences in one account. If you want to work on multiple niches, create multiple accounts, and for every account choose a niche. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.